everyone, this is Ieasha, and I wanted to come on here to bring you a quick, easy, and very affordable DIY that you can do for crafting. You can use in your home, and you can also sell this in your business. So as you see, I have 3 of these little heart that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now you will need these. You will also need a glue gun and a glue stick. And as you see, I'm showing you how much I paid, which is $1.25 from the Dollar Tree. And it's a tabletop sign. So what I did, I put this in my living room, but what you do, you go ahead and decide which one that you want on the bottom, the middle, and also the top. And that's what I'm trying to do right here, trying to figure out which one I'm going to have at the bottom, the middle, and the top. So as you see, I am trying to figure it out. And you can do exactly, whatever you want to do, whichever one you want at the top or the bottom and the middle. And so I decided to put the cutie pie at the bottom and the XOXO in the middle. So I'm going to show you where I'm going to be putting my glue. So as you see, I'm showing you where to put your glue, right in the middle right there. And all you have to do is just take your glue gun and just place the glue right in that area right there. Now, you don't have to put too much. You can use a little bit, or you can use as much as you need, just to make sure that it stays in place. So as you see now, I'm taking the other one, which will be in the middle, and just placing it directly, trying to place it where the glue, where I would have the second one, the one that's going to be in the middle on the glue. And all you have to do after you put that there is just go ahead and hold it in place until it adheres to the other one. And as you see right here, you will see some glue seeping out, but that's okay, because what we're going to do, we're going to come back and get that glue off. Because if you're selling this, you do not want to sell it with the glue hanging off like that. So just go ahead and keep holding it, and just continue to hold it until it dries, the glue dries. All right, so as you see, the glue is dry. So now what I'm going to do, I tried to take it off with my finger, but that's not going to work. Even though you can remove some of the glue with your finger, you will need to come back with something else to try to get the rest off, because you don't want the glue hanging off like that. That looks a little, a little tacky. But you can also go in there with a little pick. As you will see, I have one coming up soon that I'm going to be using to take some of the glue off. Now as you see, I'm taking the top sign, which is the Be Mine, and just putting it there. And I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the other. And I'm just going to take my glue gun and add some glue right there in the middle. And as you see, it's not coming loose at all. So just go ahead and take your glue gun and put some glue directly in the middle as well as on the sides, just like I did before. And just take your tabletop sign, the one that you're going to use at the very top, and just go ahead and add it just like I did earlier. And I tried to put it in view so that you can see it, but as you see, I'm just holding it so that it will stick. The glue will dry. And as you see some of the glue coming out right there, but don't be alarmed, because you can remove that, and I'm going to show you how. Now on the back side, some of the glue got on the back, but I'm using this for my home because I like to decorate my home, and I'm not worried about the back as much as the front. But if you're selling this, make sure that you get the glue off of all of it. And as you see, here it is. It's absolutely gorgeous. And as you see, I took the little pick that I was telling you about and removed a lot of glue. And you can do this with your finger, but if not, you can always use the little pick. And I had tried to use scissors at first, but the scissors didn't do. So that's when I started using my little pick. And the little pick that I use, you can get some from the Dollar Tree. I have my little Cricut pick, as you see right here. That came with my Cricut machine. No, I purchased it with when my husband bought my Cricut machine. But you also can find some of these at the Dollar Tree for $1.25, and here it is right there. They sell these, and it comes in the one with the toothbrush and the tongue scraper, and they have those also included at the Dollar Tree. So as you see, I'm just taking it and just removing some of the glue. Now this gets all the way up in there so that you can, where your finger cannot get. And that's what you want to do. You want to get up in there so that you can remove a lot of that glue. As you see right here, this is nice. And you see how I'm doing that? I'm removing part of that glue right there. But you want to be careful when it comes to getting that off. And you want to get out as much as possible. And y'all, I've been doing DIY for a long time. Actually, before I started doing my t-shirts and things like that. And I absolutely love it. And I just started really getting back into it because I used to DIY a lot of things to go in my home. And as you all know, my husband, he makes my tables and things like that. So we love DIYing. So I'm going to show you where I'm going to be putting this at. I'm going to take it and place it on top of my fireplace. So let me show you how it looks. All right, y'all. So here it is. It's super cute. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace.